Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Battleground Mobile India or PUBG Mobile India, and also I'll show you how to transfer your data from global version of PUBG to this Indian version. So, without wasting much time, let's begin the video. Beta version of Battleground Mobile India was released on 17th June 2021, but the beta program is now full, so you can't install it from Play Store anymore. So I have uploaded both OBB and APK file to Google Drive, and also I have pasted the link in the description. This is the link. Open it. There you can find two files. First one is APK file, and next one is actually a folder. Inside that another folder is there. Inside that you can find the OBB file of size 600 MB. Download both OBB file and APK file. If you have opened the link with Google Drive, then don't install the APK directly. Download the APK first and then install it. After installing, it might ask you for storage permission. Just allow it, and after that just close the application. This is the OBB file I have downloaded, so copy it and then open Android folder from internal storage, and there you can find a folder with name OBB. Open it. Inside that you can find another folder with the name com.pubg.imobile. Open that folder and paste the OBB file. Since I have already pasted, I'm gonna cancel the operation. After pasting, you have to restart PUBG. This is the Battleground Mobile India. There is no much difference between the global version and Indian version, except there are few changes made to the Indian version. So you have to first log in with your social media account, or you can use the same account which you have already used for global version. Here you have to create a new character and you have to select new name. So after selecting all these things, you will get access to this home page. Once you get access to the home page, click on settings and go to basic settings. There you can find account transfer option. Click on it. It will take you to one website. There you have to select yes, and it will show you two options, Facebook and Twitter, to transfer your data. If you have used Facebook for your global version, then you can select Facebook. If you have used Twitter, then you can use Twitter. I have used Facebook for global version, so I will click on Facebook. It will give you login page. Enter your credentials and click on login, and then click on continue. As it will show your name, click on continue, and then it will show you two prompts. Click on yes for both the prompts, and then you will be logged out automatically. After that, wait for some time for the data transfer to take place. After that, you can log in with the same login option you have used earlier. I have used Google Play service, so I will use the same option. Do not use the login option you have used for global version. Use the same login option which you have used for the Indian version before transferring the data. As you can see here, the data of global version got transferred to Indian version. After the data transfer, you will get everything you had in the global version, including your rank, your name, even your friends, the skin, everything. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, write it down in the comment section.